Isolating computers on the Aether platform. Isolating the endpoints is a new feature that comes along with the Aether platform. If we have a look at the computers section, we can see the list of all of our devices. Some of these devices have this red circle, which means they've already been isolated. Others have a flashing orange circle, which means that we're trying to isolate or trying to cancel the isolation of a particular device. If we take a device that hasn't been isolated yet, as an example, it's very easy to isolate any given device. Simply come to this option here at the top right hand corner, select Isolate Computer, and confirm you wish to isolate. When we now go back to the computers list, you can see that this option is flashing, and we're trying to isolate that particular endpoint. When the endpoint next communicates with the Cloud Console, it will turn red, which will mean that the isolation has been successful. There is additional functionality with this. You do have the capability under the advanced options to allow a specific process which you do not want to be isolated. In effect, we are isolating the computer at a software level, preventing processes on the endpoint from communicating with the network. By default, the Panda processes are allowed to communicate with the network so that we can continue to de-isolate or control that machine through the console. You can nominate any additional process that you wish to have access to the network, whether that be remote desktop access tools or anything else. You simply put the process name in here and then select the isolate option again. From that point onward, the process that you've entered will be allowed to run and access the network in the same way as the Panda processes. And that's how you isolate a computer using the Panda Aether platform.